Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, eto na naman tayo sa panibagong video natin, no? So, today we are unboxing our parcel. So, ano ba itong dumating sa atin ngayon? Naku-curious tuloy ako, no? So, if you are curious too, go ahead and comment there na naku-curious rin kayo kung ano ba ang isa na namang parcel na pinadala ng ating mga anonymous donors, no? Kasi ayaw nila na ipapakilala yung sarili nila para hindi daw maging hadlang sa aking mga ginagawa sa buhay. So, now that we're unboxing it, ayan na, ina-unbox ko na para at least naman malaman nyo na ina-unbox ko talaga siya. Ayan, ayan, literal na ina-unbox ko siya. So, ayun. Ooh, okay. So, yung plastic, lagay natin sa gilid, no? Kasi may gagawin ako dyan mamaya. Oh, I'll throw it in the trash. But for now, dyan ka muna, no? Okay, now, I'm gonna open it. Ano kaya ang laman nito? You guys, may sabi dito, okay, so, yun, diameter 13 cm by 5.12 inches, max load capacity 3 kilograms, material, plastic, input, DC5V. So, if you have not guessed it, wow, okay, eto na siya. Actually, ang bilis lang netong dumating, no? Kasi ang sabi nung ang sabi nung anonymous donor natin is in order niya daw to for us around couple of days ago, 3 days ago to be exact, no? While this one's for the recording time, no? 3 days ago, no recording time, which is around June 4? June 3, no? June 4 or June 3, something like that daw. So, meron siyang mataas na cable. Mataas-taas yung cable niya. Ayan. So, if you have guessed it right, para ito sa ating affiliate, no? Affiliate stuff, no? So, ito yun, Ready na ba kayo, guys? Are you ready? Ready na ba kayo sa ating reveal? Kung ano ba talaga to? As if naman may reveal, no? Okay, so, now that you're ready, no? And at the same time, i-close ko lang to ulit kasi para magagamit ko to later when I do some TikToks or some reviews, no? Later sa ibang channel naman or ibang platform naman, no? So, this is, if you've guessed it, if your guess was a turntable, then you're correct. It's the display turntable. Ayan, with the on and off switch. And eto, dito isasaksak yung cable na pinakita ko kanina, no? And is it parang pwede ba to i-headphones? I don't think so. But anyway, yun. So, this is a turntable. Talagang mag-ikot-ikot lang dito yung ating yung ating tawag na to, yung ating mga products na ilalagay. For example, maglalagay tayo dito ng eto, no? Just for example lang, no? Eto. Maglalagay tayo ng Divine Mercy Chaplet na So, ilalagay natin siya dito. Tapos, iikot siya ng iikot, no? Iikot siya ng iikot. Parang kasi di ba ang sabi ng TikTok, bawal daw yung parang stationary lang or walang gumagalaw. And probably ma-restrict ka because of that. So, gano'n ang mga ginagamit ng mga co-affiliates natin, no? As a content creator and then affiliate. Ganun kasi, maganda kasi ang ng TikTok because nagiging content creator tayo and at the same time, may mga tao rin tayong natutulungan because of affiliating, no? So, yun. Yan po ang ating nabubuksan for today. And if you've not liked, subscribed, commented, and shared to all of your friends yung vlog na to is you have to do that, no? For at least a couple minutes. And then eventually you can also do, you know, talk to your friends about my vlogs, no? Kasi as of now, parang nasa 14 plus views na tayo, even if it's just less than 1 month, no? So, less than 1 month lang to because we started June. And pero yung recording time ko before that, nag-stuck ako ng videos eh. So I started May 1 talaga na nag-record, and then patuloy na siya hanggang May 30. So that was it, no? For June. Now the month of July is coming. So I mean, eto yung mga month of July na, no? So it guys, thank you very much for watching, and I really appreciate your time and effort to keep sending me gifts, no? Sa lahat po ng mga anonymous donors dyan na hindi napapakilala, para daw hindi magiging hadlang sa aking pag self-development, no? And sa aking sa aking araw-araw na buhay, no? Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart, no? And
sorry. Pagkuto na lang niyo og kape diha. Dili usa ka biskwit ra diha. Usa lang kay muda ka man.
okay. Alright, guys. And sadya na kayo, that was my mother. They are leaving for church kasi. And ako, since yun nga, meron pa tayong sakit, I cannot go. Pero mag-online mass naman ako. So, don't worry. I'm still there in my faith journey naman. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Stay home. Take care. By the way, this is Shimron Suarez. Bye for now. Bye-bye.